So I saw like there were two solutions to this. So I'll just try to discuss those two. So first solution is obviously BFS, but it is multi-source BFS. So let's see. So, this is the main idea. This one. Also, ChatGPT said this. Like this is multi-source BFS, and if you start from multiple sources, explore path. This approach ensures that distances are computed in parallel for cells and guaranteed the shortest distance to the nearest zero. So if we use that approach, right, that first zero, uh, like starting from 0 0, right? So that is not guaranteed like will give you the best results, because uh, see, if you compute from there, like just like the last example I had, I was computing with for like all the neighbors, right? So there was some margin, means there was some not complete solution, I believe. Right now I'm very confused because I think I'm not able to understand things. But this solution makes sense. Mine, why did it make sense, is one question I have. But as ChatGPT said, like what were the things wrong with my code? It has stated. So it is saying in zero word matrix it must start from all cells with a value 0 because those are the source for the distances. This approach will fail to compute correct distances for cells that are far away from 0 0 but closer to other 0 in the matrix. So yeah, I just like I do realize, like, if suppose we get look at this image, okay? So suppose we get 0 here and there was no 0 here, all ones, okay? So yeah, I'll just explain myself how. Just give me few moment. Yeah. So suppose we have this. Okay, and we have it like this: 0 here, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1, right, like this. So this will change to this. It will change to 1 to 2 3 4, again 2 3, again this will change to 2 3 4, right? But in my assumption, like when I was doing, what I thought is, when I reach here, suppose when I reach here at this point, I also visited, so I will mark all of them as visited, right? So visited, 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 and visited. So when I reach here at this point, what I said is, suppose before reaching at this point, I reached here at this 4. Okay, so what I say is, what I said is, I'll make all the neighbors, and I will make it 1. Okay, and I make all the neighbors of this as 1, right? But this 2 is fine, correct? This 2 is fine. Let's suppose, let me make it more clearer. Let's do it in better way. So suppose this is 4, 5, 0, 0, and 1. I mean 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, like this. Okay, so suppose we are here at 4. So what I said was, I'll make it 1, right? All the neighbors of this 0 will become 1. Right now this will become 1, but these things are already visited. This, right? So what it's supposed to become? At least 2, but it will not become 2. So that is the error which ChatGPT pointed out as I checked in the smaller array. So during the example, so I didn't caught it, but yeah, now it advocates like if we add all the zeros first, then when we will start, the chances of getting the error will be reduced, and intuitively it will be like we will start from all the lower distances first, and like it will be in a orderly manner. So we'll first get all the zeros, right? Then to the next of the zeros we'll get all the either zeros or ones, right? Then next we'll get either 0, 1s or 2s, like that we'll start to get in orderly fashion and in orderly manner. So that is how it will resolve. So answer was here, you can check the answer. So it has pushed all the zeros. Now we have this distance array, and we are iterating through it. Either ChatGPT's code, I'll show you this code. Yeah. So here, pushed all the zeros, right? Created another matrix. No, not yet. Okay. We have queue. We have pushed all the zeros in the queue, and all the other places is -1. All the other places you can see are, if it is not 0, we have made it -1. Okay, so when we go inside the queue, we get the queue. We have R and C, so row and column it is. We are checking if row is a basic condition, and we are checking if it is visited or not, kind of. You can say this is will be working as visited only. So if it is not equals to -1, so we are saying yes, like it is not visited yet. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, correct. If any of these are true, I was thinking it was continuing because of that. Yeah. So if any of one is this true, then the condition fails and it will not work. So this works as visited array, and what we will do, we will take the we'll start, right, and we'll take the old value plus 1. So obviously old value is 0, and 0 plus 1 will become 1. So it will become 1. Suppose anything is 1, then it will become 2, like that, and it will resolve. So this solution I got, actually this was nice. Then we have this dynamic programming approach, in which first we go to top, like this way, okay, and second time we go this way. That guy who was the yapping in the solution section, that solution it is. So in both directions we will try to it will actually calculate like a given say let me say given a cell, what is the distance of zeros on the left side from coming from top and right, like that it will calculate. You can check here if we go it from this side. Okay, so we have that. Now for this while we go we'll get it like this, that is correct. Now we'll start from this side and update the array again, and the updation is taken care with the existing value, otherwise it is just updation normally. Okay, so that's there, and yep, that is it. It is just checking if it is in the range or not. Okay, yeah, that's the DP approach, and that's it. Hopefully I will write this code myself, DP approach, and I'll just take a note of it. Third 0 1 matrix, both do twice. Well, we'll do that. Yeah, I'll check out the next question now.